Heating effect of electric current. When the potential difference is applied across the ends of the conductor, electron starts moving to positive terminal and current is said to be set up in the circuit. During their journey, electrons collide with other electrons, atoms or ions present in the conductor. At each collision, a part of the kinetic energy, that is, energy of a moving electron, get converted to heat, due to which temperature of the conductor increases slowly. This phenomena of production of heat energy in a conductor due to the current flowing through it is called heating effect of electric current. Joule's law. Consider a conductor having potential difference of V volts and resistance R ohm. Current flowing through the conductor can be calculated using Ohm's law as I is equal to V by R. Let us consider that the current flows through the conductor for time t, then total charge can be calculated as Q is equal to IT. Work done W during the flow of charge Q through the circuit is given by work W is equal to potential difference V multiplied by charge Q. That is, W is equal to V multiplied by Q. But V is equal to IR from Ohm's law and Q is equal to IT. Therefore, W is equal to IR multiplied by IT. So W is equal to I square RT joule, or W is equal to VIT joule. As current flows through the conductor, this work done get converted into heat. Therefore, H is equal to I square RT, which is equal to VIT joule. As 4.18 joule is equal to 1 calorie, therefore H is equal to I square RT divided by 4.18 calorie. This relation is known as Joule's law. Statement: heat generated in a conductor is directly proportional to square of the current, resistance of conductor and time for which the current flows.